Welcome, today we're going to show you a quick comparison of Arc browser versus Dia browser. So which one is better? So if you're a developer or someone who loves a tidy, customizable workspace, Arc still feels like the more mature, polished option, especially with its focus on storing spaces and UI details. For writers, students, or anyone curious about integrating AI directly into their browser flow. Actually, Dia is also invite only for now, but you can get instant access with a sign up link. Both browsers make it easy to migrate from your current setup so you can experiment without losing your bookmarks, tabs, or extensions. Give them a spin and see which one fits your workflow best. So, from my point of view, I see that Arc is now more stable and have more things that you can use, but Dia still more of experimental browser more than a stable one. So I recommend Arc for now, but you can try Dia to see if it fits for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.